I mean a bowl.
Oh, no.
He's taking a picture. Maybe he had to take a picture so you can see the
Mom's got it.
bowl.
That looks good.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank
birthday.
you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear
Mom.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
And you can blow out this candle, Mom. Yay!
I did it with one blow. Oh, how pretty.
Rather soft.
Thank you, Emily. And where's Evan today?
He's gonna come for dinner.
Huh?
He's gonna come for dinner. He signed it too.
Oh. Yeah, I noticed he signed it. Yeah.